How can you pinpoint problem areas in your lawn, especially in times of drought and low rain condition, so that you can get ahead of it and it won't be a problem? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Quick video here. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this, but there's a particular area of my front lawn that tends to be a problem every time we get into these drought conditions. The temperature today is about 91, 92 degrees, and we've been about a whole week without any serious rain. And one thing I've mentioned in my previous video, obviously, told you all to come out occasionally, especially in the morning, to walk your lawn and examine the lawn for signs of damage and maybe animals digging in the lawn, which may indicate grubs and other things like that. But specifically in drought-like condition, there's one particular area of my lawn, and I'm gonna just pan over to see if you can see it. You might not be able to see it from here because the sun is behind the camera, but as I move around here, I want to see if you guys can notice these hot spots on the front lawn. You see that? See that area there that looks just darker and discolored? So a day or so ago, or even this morning, that area right there just looked regular. There was nothing distinct about it. But you can see here as we're getting into these higher temperatures where the lawn is not getting any water, any moisture. I haven't done any watering. You start seeing those problem spots pop up. So what exactly is that? I'm not sure. The only thing that I can think of that's going on there is it's likely there's something under the lawn, and maybe some rocks or stones or something that was buried there that's not allowing the root to penetrate deep enough to get some moisture. So in all the other areas of the lawn, I'm really not seeing this. And that's probably because, you know, when we go these long days and long weeks without any rain and it's really hot, the lawn is still able to reach down deep and grab moisture from the soil. But if there's anything, you know, that's hindering the roots from digging deep, you'll start seeing these hot spots, these problem areas. And it's a simple fix. One thing that I usually do, since I know that this is a reoccurring issue, I've always just tried to identify where these areas are. So, you know, I'm always looking for it. And what I did a year back, I don't know if you can see it, but I've actually marked my lawn. You see where those markings are right there, to help me find that hot spot. And you can see here that if I go over into the lawn right from that marker, and I think it lines up with these two lines here, you know, I've sort of just mapped out a grid to help me identify where that hot spot is. And it's really a simple fix. The only thing that I do, if I'm not watering all the time, I simply just get some water and I just pour it in that area. Give it a good soaking. So that you're really just helping the lawn, since the roots can't reach deep enough. You're really just helping the lawn by giving it a little bit of extra water so that it doesn't burn out as easily. And again, Bermuda is very, very resilient. So even in these conditions, you know, if we still don't get any rain, the lawn itself may brown out a little bit, but it would eventually come back. the issue that you're really trying to prevent is when the rain does come, you don't want these areas to be so stressed out that the rest of your lawn looks good, but you have those brown patches. So again, just a simple fix. You know, you get in there, mark the spots as you identify them so that you can quickly figure out where those burnout areas are, and then, you know, just kind of give it a little bit of attention as you see the color start changing, so that you really get ahead of it and it doesn't become a problem for you. Anyway, quick video. Again, not a whole lot of information here, but just a quick way that you can identify hot spots in your lawn. And what I might do, I thought about doing this. I actually thought about just digging up that area, maybe like sodding it out, and then seeing if I can maybe remove the rocks or whatever it is that's under the lawn. But you know, this is just a temporary fix, and it's been working for me. So again, just a quick video on how to identify hot spots on your lawn and how you can easily fix it by just giving it a little bit more attention by watering those areas. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please feel free to ask any questions. If you're seeing any hot spots or problem areas in your lawn and you want me to help you identify it, definitely put a comment or leave a comment below, and I'll try to reach out to you. And I just noticed there's another area right there. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.